Welcome back. We are going to make sidewalk chalk paint. This are things that you could have in your pantry. This recipe calls for cornstarch, baking soda, and water, all in equal parts. So I'm going to make a big batch of the paint, and then I'll divide it into containers like this that are resealable that we can keep our paint in. There are 6 containers here, so I'm going to make 6 colors. You can use the food coloring or tempera paint. Either will work. You could again also use Kool-Aid packets, which will again make for scented paint. It makes really good color too. Alright, so we're going to start off with the cornstarch. One cup of cornstarch into the bowl. One cup of baking soda into the bowl. We're going to stir to combine the two. Then we're going to add 1 cup of water. Now the cool thing about this sidewalk chalk paint, because it has baking soda in it, once you've painted it and it dries, if you want to create a cool sciencey effect, you can go out and spray it down with white vinegar and it'll bubble. Yay. 1 cup of water, and we're going to stir until everything is completely mixed. And it has the consistency of like poster paint. So because there is cornstarch in here, it kind of has this weird liquidy. It's liquidy, but it's not. It kind of oozes.
It's called oobleck.
It is oobleck. But not everybody knows what oobleck is, McKenna.
Okay.
So we're going to get this all mixed in. And then I'll just divide it up into the individual containers. And we're going to add our color. Because I have them, I'm going to use the tempera paint, and maybe I'll even mix a little bit of food coloring in to get a more of a true red. So I'm going to use the really bright pink. And that's about a tablespoon. And a half. And a little red. And then we'll take our spoon and we'll stir. You get a really vibrant color. So these are what your colors are going to look like. I actually used a combination of the tempera paint with the food coloring. On your purple, I would recommend using Kool-Aid if you can. Simply because the purple that you get with the red and blue food coloring is a little earthier, and it tends to look more like an indigo or closer to a black. This is what your colors look like. You just pop a lid on it, you can take it out, you can use paintbrushes, you can put it in squirt bottles and use squirt bottles to paint with. It's up to you. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you guys create with some of these items that you make yourself.